She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining. Bitter in the eyes can find it. Maybe we've made her blind, so she tried to cover up her pain and covers all the way. A cover girls don't cry after the face is made, but there's a hope is waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change to find a world that changes hard. No scars, you're beautiful with stars, and you're beautiful. Oh, oh, and you don't have to change to find a world that changes art. No scars, you're beautiful with stars, and we're beautiful.